Sarah!
Sarah!
Hi! I'm Sarah Flora of Flora Brewing.
Sarah's on a rocket ship emoji to success.
The hype is real.
Basically, I'm a homebrewer who has an Instagram and YouTube page.
I had cleaned the toilet before everybody showed up today.
Oh yeah.
We're filling our kettle with 7.13 gallons. You like my Martha Stewart voice? Well, I grew up watching Martha Stewart basically teach you how to like be a housewife, whatever. And I just kind of think it's funny to almost flip it on its head because the brewing industry is so male dominated.
My name is Martin Keane.
Brew session, brewing beer.
Cheers. There's a very large.
Sarah just popped up on my Instagram feed and just really stood out because at that point, and maybe still, she was the only female homebrewer doing anything online, you know, Instagram or whatever.
Today we are making an American wheat lager.
So with the American wheat style, you can use a clean ale or a lager yeast.
Because it's supposed to be like a cleaner fermenting wheat beer than like a German wheat beer.
I guess, should we grind some grains? Because
Yeah.
We're gonna be there before you know it. For full recipe details, go to clawhammersupply.com. That rye, you had me at rye. All about it.
I know.
I wanted to taste it if it's in there.
Yeah. I'll pour, you grind, Emmett watch.
Okay.
This could be the perfect summer sipper.
So we wanted a nice lager for summertime.
This is a summer vibes recipe. Crisp, clean, cool, refreshing.
I think we double crushed this. I think we could run it back through.
If Sarah's the Martha Stewart of homebrewing, what are you?
I would say Jesus.
To be humble.
To be humble.
Good call on the double crush.
Oh, if Sarah's the Martha Stewart of homebrewing, who am I?
Yeah.
Clearly the Macho Man Randy Savage of homebrewing.
Diamond cutter from the top rope.
So there's this game show called The Gong Show. The host of that, Chuck Barris, claims that he was a CIA agent. I'm gonna say Ross is the Chuck Barris of homebrewing. He plays the part so well, you have no idea. He says he works in New Belgium, and he hangs out here a lot. He works night shifts a lot. You ever think about that?
I'm Ross.
Hopefully, none of us are one of his marks.
Basket in. You're well familiar with the old clawhammer system. Like, how many brews would you say you've done on Old Ironsides here?
I'd probably say at least 100.
What do you do with all your beer?
I have a husband who drinks a lot of beer.
All right, we ready?
Well, I bought my husband a homebrew kit and he did not take to it, so I picked it up
Almost there. Good to the last dust.
and I just started homebrewing and kind of fell immediately into it and became addicted and spent all my money on homebrew equipment.
What are you doing in it?
Priming the old pump blossom.
Wort in line.
Everything is leading up to opening a brewery in Washington.
So you've got the location scoped out.
Have the location, just have to build it. That's my main goal.
Sarah is a master of the craft and has more cumulative experience brewing than, you know, I have of life. Sarah is literate, which, you know, is a leg up on me.
He's not illiterate. Illiterate.
Are you illiterate?
Well, dyslexic. Very close.
If Ross is illiterate, he plays it off very well.
Well, we should probably take pH reading.
5.92 is what we're reading right now.
Wow.
Pretty high.
That's real
What?
high.
That's pretty high.
5.9? But I've never seen the guy read a book. Personally, you know, like right in front of me, never seen it.
What'd it say?
5.45.
Dude.
Good job. Smells like freedom.
It smells like freedom.
60-minute mash is done.
3, 2, 1. Nice. What's our level?
About 6.
About
6 and some change.
6 and change. Do you want to see Jabba the Lump?
Oh my God, do you guys have a pile of how stinky is it?
Sarah, let's go. Come on, here we go.
It's just being stinky.
It's just being a big old stink pile. So this is like hops and grain and whatever Kyle threw back here. Pretty good.
What do you do with your green, Sarah?
I make dog biscuits. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Mash once, spray twice.
Mash once, spray twice.
A basket in the hand is worth 2 on the shelf.
Live, laugh, lager.
Live, laugh, lager.
Homebrew is where the heart is.
Bless this mash.
There to brew, bud.
Brew like nobody's watching.
A beer in the mouth is worth 2 in the keg. A beer in, yeah, I think that's what they say. Oh, you guys, I reread The Hobbit. That's what I've done with my
wow.
time. After we did the
book?
yeah, the whole book.
If Ross is illiterate, he plays it off very well.
Hey, look at that, we're boiling. Have a look-see. 30-minute boil on this bad boy.
I
Like read a book to your kid.
finally finished a book.
What'd you read, Emmett?
Oh, just a book. I don't even remember what it was called. Started it three summers ago.
Dyslexic.
Do you remember what it was about?
Yeah. Yes. I do.
Illiterate.
Oh my God. Trying to think of it. Let me Google it.
Let's go eat some tacos, Juana.
I haven't had a taco yet, but the queso is what my dreams are made of.
According to my watch, there's 5 minutes left in the boil.
I like the sound of that.
And we are using Citra and Saz hops.
Saws you.
I use Saz and Citra pretty regularly. I mean, they're just kind of some of your standard hops. Every homebrew store has them.
So Saz is a little peppery, earthy. Citra is orangey.
Oh yeah, that's juicy.
Stupid human tricks.
We've added our Citra hops. We added 2 whole ounces. So we're not actually putting fruit in this beer, but the idea with the Citra hops is it should taste like a bouquet of fresh oranges when we sip it. I thought we could, have a...
It actually isn't bad though.
Really good. That rind, that pith, you really get a nice blend of bitter and sweet.
You gotta gut the rind.
So we've hit our boil time. We've done our hop addition. Now we're gonna cut the power and we're gonna cool this wort down. Get ready to pitch some yeast.
Hose me.
Okay,
Please.
I'll hose you, pal. Hose me. Let's get chilly. Okay, so we're cooled down in our kettle, and we're gonna transfer our wort from the kettle to a staging bucket where we're gonna pitch our yeast. Sarah, do you wanna turn our pump on?
I would love to.
Thank you.
So we're using a lager yeast. We're pressure fermenting at room temp.
We have more than 5 gallons of wort. When you pressure ferment, you need some headroom. So we're only gonna fill the keg with 3.5, 4 gallons of wort. We only have 1 packet of yeast, so we're gonna mix it all together and shake it.
It smells like the future.
I'm getting dirty socks.
Dirty socks.
WLP 830 German lager yeast.
Slicey. Oh,
Oh God.
don't do
Has this
that.
happened before?
I think so. Is that enough?
That's plenty.
Plenty. On the ground, dude.
Oh yeah. That's all I can do though.
Okay.
I'm out of energy.
I believe in you, Kyle. Perseverance. See this through. There it is.
Oh God.
Perseverance. See this through. Give it the people's elbow.
One of these?
Yeah, diamond cutter from the top ropes. There it is.
Did you see that?
It's aerated. It's serrated. You did it.
We're gonna transfer the thoroughly mixed wort and yeast into the keg for the pressure ferment. Whatever's left over, we'll leave in a bucket and ferment that. So we'll do a little side-by-side pressure ferment versus normal bucket ferment. Boom.
So we've got our pressure unit and our spunning valve here. Kyle's grabbing the CO2 tank. Get a little pressure in our fermentation keg.
What's the ballpark, like 15 to 25 or?
Like 10 to 15. I'll take that.
right in the pocket.
Cool.
It's great.
Perfect.
So we're gonna put these beers in the cellar.
Okay.
I'll grab this one, you grab that one. And then follow me to the cellar. Nice. We did it. We brewed a beer.
Yeah, great.
You did it. Proud of you guys. We're back.
And we're back.
Hey guys.
Yeah, 9 a.m. your time, nooner our time.
I feel like
Breakfast
a
of
wheat.
champions.
Yeah, American wheat lager. That's a breakfast beer,
that's
right?
kind of
That's
a-
a classic.
Yeah, you know, it's essentially Wheaties, but distilled
Yes.
down into all liquid.
Well, we need some beer.
We do need some beer. He's back
Oh, we're back.
with beer.
And I'll pour myself a glass.
There you go. Uh-huh.
That looks good.
It's looking really good,
I like
dude.
the looks of it.
They say you drink with your eyes.
Then we're done.
No other senses, only
We
eyes.
nailed it.
Give it a sniff. What are we working with here?
It smells like passion fruit and guava. It's like super fruity.
Aromatically, I like as well. We're drinking now. We've moved on to drinking.
Oh, I dove right in. Super light body.
The fruit really carries through.
Citrus, light citrus. Like, yeah.
I like it.
This could be the perfect summer sipper.
I'd say so, but I think you can chug it.
I think this is the perfect summer sipper. And I think if I catch you drinking this in winter, I'm gonna be like, bro, we were friends. What happened?
Yeah.
Remember our wheat beer? I'm interested in maybe another one of these
Oh, yeah.
beer
Should we do
skis.
that?
Should we do a little
Refill?
top off
Refill?
really quick?
Yeah.
Okay, round two, here we go. How we feeling?
This is the, by the way, only thing I've had to eat today.
So on an empty stomach, we're working with 4.6, 4.7. What's our final
we should
ABV?
mention this.
Yeah, probably.
4.73. Temp time for the fermentation. Temperature was room temperature.
Room temp, high pressure.
Time was, I don't know, lots of time. As soon as it was done fermenting, I stuck it in a lager fridge, and it's been chilling there for quite a while. But on the yeast, and we've had pretty good results with that. I typically would never just leave a beer like we've left that beer on the yeast. Well, that's at lager temp as well. But like at room temp for an extended period of time on the
let it
yeast,
sit
wouldn't
on
do that.
yeast.
This keg has a floating dip tube in it. It's still on the yeast. The beer is still on the yeast with the floating dip tube in it in the lager fridge.
Do you taste the friendship in the beer? Does that come through?
Oh, definitely. For me, mostly friendship.
Fruity friendship.
Smells like friends. Oh yeah, man. From East Coast to West Coast, that's friendship
Yeah.
right there.
He's not illiterate. Illiterate.
Ireland?
Yeah, he had to go back to Ireland.
The old country.
They had an Irish AVN Awards ceremony thing going on that he was accepting something for. I don't even know what that means, but that's what he sent that in an email. You didn't get that email?
Yeah, I wasn't on that one.
You might want to Google it or something and let me know.